Hey guys, this is Varun Dhawan with Dabbu Ratnani 2015 calendar shoot, and we're here shooting at a very burned down Badlapur station. That's the set. Dabbu said that this time let's do something slightly more burned down. So I said, what better than to do a burned down set? And Dabbu's been actually very sweet by coming to the set because I was shooting over here, and I wanted to shoot on the train tracks because it's a very big part of my next film, and plus I think it adds a lot of drama to the shoot. So I think we've got a really cool shot. It's a bit of Sherlock Holmes meets Train Driver. I don't know, but it's a bit of Sherlock Holmes meets some kind of it's got a lot of mystery. I think every time I give this bite alone, this time I'm going to involve Dabbu in the bite. Why don't you explain the shot?
I think what we started off with the trench coat.
Correct.
And we didn't plan it to be like it gives a very intriguing and a very detective spy kind of vibe
feel,
to
yeah.
it.
It does. I think we didn't really plan this shoot as much as we've planned the last two shoots, but I think it's come out really moody, and I really do like this area. I think that's added the mood.
Absolutely.
And I think the trench coat, which
The minute you told me I'm shooting at Mukesh Mills, I got very excited, and you told me there's a railway station set. It got me really excited, and that's why I've actually come down and done this shot here.
you've shot here before.
I've shot in Mukesh Mills, but with this whole ambience, I think it's been beautiful. And the way I think the whole mystery with the lighting and with the contrast and the clothes and I think the whole attitude has worked beautiful.
So Dabbu, what's going to be different about 2015's calendar than 2014?
I think I've evolved the most. I think the actors have all done great every year, but for me, I think for me to keep pushing myself and evolving and trying to outdo my previous work, I think it's going to be my best calendar ever.
Something tells me that this year's calendar is a bit more darker in tone. No, I don't know. I think every calendar has a certain vibe in
I
it,
think
but this one is not that pop culture.
It's going to be quite dark, and especially the way the men are being shot I'm going to keep it more dark and probably get the color and bright with the women, so the contrast comes across.
Oh, the women are.
I'm going to plan that.
Which actress has exposed the most?
I think you'll wait for you all to watch the calendar.
So I'm definitely going to wait and see who's exposed the most. I haven't this year. I've worn a trench coat, but 2016, I promise, I shall expose a little bit. I'll see you guys. My shot is probably daredevilry meets madcap train driver. I don't even know what this means. I'm just making up at the moment. But I think my shot is very crazy because we did start with lying down on the train tracks, which was rejected because it's harmful for people's safety, and a lot of kids also see the calendar. Then we did go to a very detective space. I think I'm playing a crazy guy in this shot, so who's just jumping in the air when a train could come and hit him at any moment. And I've asked Dabbu to add a train in the post, but he never takes my idea, so I don't think that's going to happen this year. But if I had it, there would be a train coming from behind and I would be jumping. So anyway guys, watch out for my shot in 2050 Dabbu Ratnani's calendar, because it's going to be the most high-flying, crazy-ass shot you've ever seen in your life, and it's in black and white, so there's a sense of mystery as well. Just watch out for the shot. It's really beautifully done and shot by Dabbu Ratnani, so watch out for it. One thing which I should tell you all about Dabbu, last time I shot with him, I nearly got arrested. I did get threatened by a cop. This time he got me to this place, Mukesh Mills. I've been told it's haunted. I've been told that a lot of people have been possessed while shooting over here. And obviously he doesn't care about safety of actors. Obviously he doesn't care about their well-being. Why else would he have got me over here? He made me lie down on stones. That's what he did, okay? He made me lie down on these stones. I cut myself over here. There's a cut. There's a bruise over here. There are cuts. There are a lot of cuts that I have got because of Dabbu Ratnani. He's a man that has been charged with this offence even in the past by a lot of actors, but no one has taken him to task. I will be filing a police complaint, Dabbu. And yes, I will see you in jail. I think one for you should take like that. Dabu Ratnani calendar 2015. Today we are at Badlapur station. This is the last stop for the calendar. I'm getting upset with us. But last time we shot at 7 in the morning till 7 in the evening. It's quite a shooting in a very haunted station, by the way. There are very few people who have survived these shoots. But obviously Dabu doesn't care about another actor lives their life. Yeah, Dabu! Technique. Visual is super. Like maybe the hat and the hat. I like that.
Try one without the hat and see. We compare it.
Stop.
The mood is right.
The mood is perfect. Stop. I think that's.
Yeah, I mean, don't hold it like I just. Because the skin showing is looking nicer. Because there's all shadow coming anyway, no? So just take one shot and try. Try one walking pose, yeah.
Showing out of
It's like, why don't you open it and then just suck it in up?
Try jump. Yeah. Something like this. Ready? Ready? Yeah. I look at you. I look at you now. Okay, ready? Good? Bad.
No, good. He said fab. He said fab.
Yeah, we can try one more.
Open the button. But when you're jumping, it's
Ready? I'll go like one more. Good. Let's try with the hat now. But I like this last one. Not bad one. Just jump up. Now without the hat, I'll just... Hey, हटना! I'll take the jumping side. Count. Should I try with the hat now?
Venkat. Kundan.
Come on.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I hope I. Yeah, I think I got it. 1, 2, 3. Okay.